Two charged in connection with fraud at Manchester Parish Council. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, 12 people shot, 6 fatally, in separate incidents in Hanover and St. James in the last 24 hours.
Health Ministry vows to reduce waiting time at health facilities.
Former sugar workers demand houses they say were promised to them.
In the business day, we have the latest movement in gas prices.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you think the police are doing enough to contain crime in Western Jamaica?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.